Have you ever plugged in your USB drive and noticed that it's showing less storage than usual? Maybe it used to be 14 gigabytes, but now it's only showing 1 gigabyte or even less. Well, don't worry. This is a common problem, and in this video, I'll guide you step by step to fix it and recover your full USB storage capacity. We're not going to use any third-party software, just a simple, built-in Windows tool called Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Alright, let's begin. Here's what you need to do. Right-click on each of the existing partitions of your USB drive one by one, and select Delete Volume. Keep deleting until the entire drive becomes unallocated space. Don't worry, this process won't harm the drive, it just removes the old partition layout. Once everything is unallocated, right-click on that area again and choose New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next, Next, and then Finish. Once everything is unallocated, right-click on that area again and choose New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next, Next, and then Finish. Now, give it a few seconds to complete. Once it's done, open this PC or my computer, and check your USB drive. You should now see the full 14 gigabytes of space available again. To make sure it's working properly, try creating a new folder inside the USB. If it works without any issues, that means your USB drive has been successfully fixed. You can also right-click the USB drive, choose Properties, and confirm the total storage. It should now show the correct capacity. And that's it, you've successfully recovered your USB's missing storage using just the Windows Disk Management tool. No extra software, no downloads, just a simple built-in method that works every time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.